Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. I am here with my new car. So guys, I've basically got given, well not quite given, basically there's a story behind it. A customer of mine, the fuel pump had gone, it was a bit ratty, as you will see, and basically she said, oh, do you want it? I said, I can't take a car of someone. So I said, here's 100 quid, I have £100 in my wallet, I'll give you 100 quid for it, and there we go. I have a car, you get rid of the car, and job's a good one. So guys, onto the car, let's see what it is. This is for a replacement for the micra, so it's going to be like not a daily, because I have a van for a daily, but because I work out of a van, but now this is going to be like a run around, kind of go to the shops, have some fun in, take everyone, like go to events and kind of long distances and all sorts of stuff. But without further ado, here is the car. Oh yes, Subaru Forester S Turbo all-wheel drive. It's a bit ratty, especially that bit. Yeah, this light was all broken. This is a new, like a second-hand light that I bought. It's been, the rear bumper's been crashed like quite a lot along here. All the bumper bar behind here is a bit bent. That was all crashed up. This was all smashed. Changed that light, so that's the first one. This I can push out because this is just plastic. I'm gonna heat it up and push that out when I get some time. I've just had no time, guys, honestly. Push all that out. It doesn't need to be perfect, but just push it out. The whole car I'm gonna spray it at some point, just because I don't really like silver cars. The wheels are going to be just painted black at some point, but I'm going to wash it and see. I haven't actually washed it yet, and see what it comes out and looks like. Yeah, the rear shocks aren't the best. So suspension needs to be done. The wheel bearing on the other side was completely gone, and the rear, it was so loud, the bearing was all collapsed. Got that changed over. Fuel pump, I used the old Walbro 255 that I got out of the MX-5, which I put in the MX-5 originally, but it ran out of pump, around 350 horsepower. So that's in here now. Mad bonnet scoop, nice big grille at the front, fog lights work, which is awesome. Massive oil gap. I'm going to get coilovers, so I thought I might as well, seeing as I'm changing the suspension. To be honest, the coilovers are a little bit cheaper for a full set of suspension for this, because I just want to get it all done and nice, and slightly lowered as well would be nice. Got to put that bumper back on somehow. But yeah, slowly going to clean it up, paint it, maybe put some wheels on it at some point, turn the boost up. It is a 2-litre EJ20 turbo, which I will quickly show you guys now. It's filthy under there. It hasn't actually got too many miles. Let me show you guys the inside. Here she is, bit of fake wood, I hate that, so that's going to get like hydro dipped or wrapped or something. All down here. Put my what's it called in, head unit in, or out of the micro, and it's been in, no, this one's a newer one actually, this hasn't been in a load of cars. Load of stuff in the glove box. Got my little turbo air freshener, it's nice. Massive sunroof, that all works, which is great. Up on here, needs to change his wheel. I don't like this stock wheel, it's a bit big and just, I don't know, I don't like it. Doesn't rev very high, I don't know if that's just inherent, but it only makes 170 horsepower, guys. It's not quick. Well, it's sprightly for such a big car, but it's not quick yet, so gonna make it quick. 5-speed, heated seats. These are amazing. Just chill with your armrest, and you can go for some long ass cruises. You don't really feel the miles in this at all. Heated windscreen, fog lights, back's all nice. It's actually quite like it's really not in bad condition, this interior. Speakers are terrible. I need to get my I had some speakers in a Volvo that would probably fit this, and then also I'm going to put the speakers from the micra in the back of the doors here, and then I'm also going to have the sub and everything, so I have a nice sound system in this puppy. And then here's the back, looking good. And there's the boot, massive boot. Can fit tons of stuff in there. So there it is, guys. Subaru Forester, new car on the channel. I thought I'd just make this a nice, quick, easy video. I'm going to do a whole load of mods, hopefully, on this, just over time. Just being a nice kind of, I don't know, not a daily, but I'm going to call it a runaround. Nice runaround car. It's going to just be awesome for taking it for long journeys, just doing errands, picking up a load of parts, engines, gearboxes, wheels, all sorts of parts I can pick up and drop off with this thing. I'm also going to get a tow hitch, and then this is also going to be able to tow a trailer that I'm going to put the MX-5 on if I'm going to tracks and stuff like that. So it's going to be awesome, guys. Got a lot of stuff coming with this. I'm very excited. It uses a hell of a lot of petrol, which that's just inherent of the EJ20, the boxer engine. They just use a lot of petrol, so I'm not too bummed about that. I can afford a bit of petrol. I'm not driving it every single day. I'm hopefully going to make it about 300 or so horsepower, and yeah, it'll be pretty flipping sick. I need a nice exhaust on it as well to get that Scooby grumble. But anyway, guys, what I did forget to show you guys, is I'm going to show you the engine right now. Don't be disgusted at how dirty, let's say dirty, this engine bay is. It's never been cleaned for sure. So there it is, guys. EJ20 in all of its glory. Top mount intercooler. I need to keep the top mount intercooler. My friend's got an STI one, which I'm going to take off of his hands. RAC battery. This is about the newest thing in here. Is that battery? Still pretty old though. Look at it, a bit grimy. But yeah, everything's just dirty. I'm sure if I spray everything off, make everything clean. I do want to change that coil pack because I think it's misfiring just a bit. Change the fuel filter already, change leads and plugs. Plugs aren't actually too bad of a job on these, surprising. A lot of people told me they'd be worse. Just need to take battery and the washer bot out on that side, and then the airbox out on that side, and you can get to it pretty easy. Tiny little turbo, I think it's a TD037 or something. It's like smaller than a TD04, so yeah, just to kind of put it into perspective for you guys, smaller than a TD04. That's the engine bay, guys. Not too much to see apart from an inlet, a intercooler, a alternator, and some kind of ancillaries and stuff. It's not actually too much. I might take that carbon canister out at some point, hiding down there. I just want to make it, open it up and get a bit more space. Maybe do a battery relocate to the boot, smaller washer bottle or something, pod filter over there. Just open it up, make it look nice. Yeah, I just want it to be a good all-around car, to be fair, and for the price I got it, 100 quid, I don't think you can go far wrong. So that is it. Here is the Subaru Forester. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I want to see you guys' opinion on this, on the price I got it for, and on the car itself, like the condition now, what you think I should do to it in the future. And if you like this video, go ahead, leave it a like down below. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I shall catch you guys in the next one.